A lot of people, we live in Sun City, a retirement community, 20,000 people. Many people that have knee surgeries complain continuously about, oh, it hurts, I can't do this, it doesn't feel natural, etc. Mine feels natural right now, so it's a myth sometimes that you can't get the range of motion. You just saw me do it where I was when I was 20 years ago.
Okay, so tell me what surgery you had and how long ago it was done?
I had a left knee full replacement 2 weeks ago, February 3rd.
What kind of problems were you having before that?
Wobbly knee, tried cortisone shot, could hardly walk, and kind of walked with a shuffle before surgery.
Okay, did the injections work initially or they never really did much?
Never really did much,
okay.
Yeah.
And what was your goal for the surgery?
Hoping to have a return to play sports and walk around comfortably and enjoy my life.
Great, so the surgery was 2 weeks ago. How'd it go?
I think it was a home run.
Tell us how the day of surgery went, the first few days, like pain-wise. Are you still taking narcotics?
For the first few days, unfortunately I have a companion that was very helpful to get me in and out of the shower and that sort of stuff. But limited pain, I was walking almost immediately, and the swelling went down, I think in about 2 to 3 days, almost to zero. And I didn't need a cane or a walker, even from the beginning. So it was just much exceeded expectations by a wide amount.
Excellent. Straighten your knee out as far as you can if you don't mind. Great. Now how far can you bend it?
They tell me 115 degrees, which is where it should be.
Wow, that's fantastic.
I can hold that for 5 minutes.
And what's the highest level of activity you've already done?
I can walk 2 miles a day.
Okay, great. And you did a
normal gait, not like Festus.
Good. All right, well, that's fantastic. Anything else you'd add, or you tell somebody who's considering this, or et cetera?
I would say do your research, investigate, but it can really change your life rather than just dealing with pain and complaining about old age. A lot of people, we live in Sun City, a retirement community, 20,000 people. Many people that have knee surgeries complain continuously about, oh, it hurts, I can't do this, it doesn't feel natural, etc. Mine feels natural right now, so it's a myth sometimes that it will feel and you can't get the range of motion. You just saw me do it where I was when I was 20 years ago.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.